Ngizotrend. I know ngizotrender. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mooka. If you're new here, please subscribe if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for stopping back by. I just parked by Pep Home. I want to get some few stuff. Sorry about that. I want to get some few stuff for my place. I just remembered that I have today because it's a holiday, it's Heritage Day. I have today to clean up, get my place together. So I just thought, because during the weekend I'm gonna go home, and then I've been procrastinating on getting these things. Let me just get them now, because also the money that I had saved for these things, I've been eating piece by piece. So let me just, I might as well just get them. So let's go in to Pep Home to get, I need blinds, I need things to organize my underwears, because I do not have drawers. My cupboards do not have drawers, so I need like some things, because I put them inside bags, so that gets a little too ghetto at times. So let's go into Pep and get those. Been loving this also, the Red Bull white peach flavor. It tastes like peach. You can literally taste the peach. It's so good. And yeah guys, I've been so consistent lately, dropped 2 vlogs. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And those that subscribed after I came back, welcome guys, welcome home. Please take a seat, relaxed, and yeah, share with your friends, share with your families. Ask them to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm just a girl who wish to reach 1K subscribers before this year ends. So please guys, let's do that for your girl, period. Also, please get this lip gloss. Get it guys, been raving about this. Please do get it, because it's so good. Also, yeah, also I shouldn't be here because I have to mark. So let's go to Pep Home, and then I'm gonna go to my the guy that helps me alters my clothes, and then we will go home, maybe get something to eat, and then we're gonna go home. Yeah man. So I'm gonna mark. I'm almost done with the first class, with 1 class, so I'm gonna start the second one today. I need to do that. We need to finish 1 class today. We really do need to do that. I'm wearing this green dress, long, very long. Please subscribe guys. Bye, love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. Hey guys, welcome back to another clip of the vlog. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from at home. It's a big bag. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and then period. Yeah, let me show you guys what I got from home. I wanted to cross Koreans. So I got this packet of huge. This really helps me for work. Then I also got the ironing board because I'm tired of bending when I'm ironing. Got the ironing board. Got it for 180. And then another thing that I got is this. It's a duvet. Huh? Oh, it's a comforter, quilted comforter for double bed because I'm using a double bed. And then I bought this. I don't know if you guys will get the vision, but I bought this for the, I'm going to use it for like I want to put it on top of my side, the gold side table that's next to my bedroom mirror. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put things on top because that other one that you guys buy, it's too expensive for me or something. So let's open this and see. Ooh. Okay. Open this and see. Got it for 34 rands. I think this is a very good idea. Okay, I'll show you guys once I'm done with decorating the table. And then I got this. I just got like random things here. And then I got this to organize the underwears. Oh, this is not what I expected. This is too small. This is way too small. What? This is not what I expected. I expected like a big thing. Hey, banana. Yeah. But no, it's fine. I'll see what is it that I can use it for. I think it's gonna be small for that. Right? No, we'll just see. Just see bursts. Hey, but. And then I got these, the cappuccinos from Spa. Put it in here. Maybe 6 to 6. And then we got these for the bathroom. Then we got the milk frother. Yeah, milk frother. And then I got magnolia oil, the bigger bottle, because the one that I bought, I've had it since I think March. I think I've had it since March, yeah, literally March. And then I got this for the hair dryer. Then I got some plastic bins. Also got these to match I'm just not sure, but I think they will match these to match the comforter. And then lastly we got it for only 10 rands. I want to wash my makeup brushes. Yeah, that's basically all that we got. This is basically all that we got. Yeah, I think I wanna buy next month for the house. I wanna buy the bedroom blinds, and then also buy the kitchen table, the dining kitchen table. Yeah, and then I think already gone. I also want to buy a painting for on top of the TV. Okay guys, let me leave you guys here. I'll see you guys probably on Friday because I'm going home and there's an event that I'll be attending. So until Friday, bye. Hey guys, I hope you guys are good. These are pajamas, guys. So I'm inside the car. I'm with my friend. We came to buy food, like plates, beef, and then force, like braai plate. Yeah. So you're here for that. She went in to collect because I can't go in. I'm wearing a bonnet. Then I'm also wearing slippers. So morning slippers, so I can't go. The lighting, baby, the lighting is, yeah, these are my nails. This is what I did. I wish I could say that I'm bad at vlogging, but I've been doing my hair lately. I've just been doing my big thing. I'm trying to find the good lighting. But please don't mind this. Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mooka. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back by. I think I've already done the intro. I'm looking for the lighting, but hey guys, welcome back to another clip of the vlog. It is a Sunday, and if I tell you that I've been indoors since Friday after work, I'm not even playing. I've been marking since, but I'm almost done. Only left with 20 scrapes, and then I'm gonna record, and then I'm gonna I usually on Sundays, especially when I'm not busy, I always take out clothes for the whole week. I fit before I can confirm that okay, I'm going to wear this on Thursday. I have to fit everything so that I can even what I had in mind, or do not match, or I don't feel good in them, so I make sure to fit everything. So for today we're going to take out the clothes for tomorrow only, and then tomorrow after work we'll take out the clothes for the whole week because I want to mark now. So for now I'm going to mark 10 scripts, then do that, and then mark 10 scripts, and then make sculpting, then mark 10 scripts, the last 10, and then bit reload, and then mark the make sculpting, mark 10 scripts, and then iron, and then record, and then yeah, I think sleep. So let's do that. Let's do that, guys. Let's get to business. And also I'm watching my own vlogs. Let me show you guys. So I'm going to ask that you watch me until the last minute of the vlog, the last second of the vlog. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. I see the comments, I see the likes. Sometimes they're high, sometimes they are low, but that is what I expect. But yeah, we're trying. I'm trying. I've been seeing that my quality on the 2 previous vlogs, my quality was eating. And the only thing that I need to correct is to leave the house without telling you guys that I'm leaving the house, without reporting. I'll try that. I'll make sure that I do that on this vlog.